Ready to start hitting home runs with your Forex trades instead of striking out all the time? Well, if so, you've definitely come to the right place. Hello, my name's Michael Taylor, and I'm not a former stockbroker or math genius. In fact, before I started trading Forex a few years ago, I'd never made any type of trade whatsoever, well, except for trading baseball cards when I was a kid. What I am is a computer programmer whose previous claim to fame was that I created a software program that used statistics from previous seasons to pretty accurately predict what Major League Baseball players were going to do in the coming season. As my wife pointed out, my baseball program wasn't making us any money, and never would. It was just a hobby. So why didn't I use my skills and knowledge to create something that would actually help us pay the bills each month? And like usual, she was right. We were struggling, and I knew some extra income would sure be nice. So I started looking around online for opportunities, like maybe you're doing right now. And in time, I came across a site about Forex trading. I started to research the Forex market because at the time, I really didn't know anything about it at all. What I found out got me excited. Forex trading intrigued me, and I thought my baseball software program could be adapted to fit the Forex market with not a lot of work from me. Okay, I may have been wrong about the amount of work required. I ended up spending many hours creating my Forex program, but I was right that it was a good fit for the Forex market. In particular, the artificial intelligence component that I had created for my baseball program to predict how players were going to do the following season could be applied to currency pairs to predict what they're going to do in the future. So instead of wasting my money on the inferior Forex products that I saw online, because rarely do I believe in anyone else, I decided to put that money into my trading account and use it there to finance my education, so to speak. So I started trading on my own with no help from anyone else. As you can imagine, it didn't go well at first. I was completely new to Forex trading and really didn't know what I was doing. Luckily, I played it smart in the beginning, making very small trades so I didn't run out of money. Then, as I got more familiar with the market, I gained confidence and started making bigger trades. One of the reasons my confidence grew is that I was able to fine-tune my software. Basically, I took my baseball software, which used past seasons to predict what a player was going to do in the future, and I replaced that core with a comprehensive database of Forex charts. My software now searches for currency pairs that match up with a pattern on one of the charts in its database. When it finds one, it's able to predict it with over 90% accuracy what's going to happen in the future with that currency pair. But that's not even the best part. The best part is that the software's artificial intelligence component actually adds new charts to the database all the time, further increasing its odds for success in the future. That means while the software is winning a little over 90% of its trades right now, it could very easily be winning 91%, 92%, maybe even 93% in the future. I've never been prouder of anything that I've created, probably even more than my kids, but please don't tell them I said that. While great baseball players get 3 hits in 10 at-bats, I'm winning 9 out of every 10 trades I place. Last year, I made over $1 million, and I've got no doubt that in a few years, I'll be giving those guys who play baseball a real run in the who makes more money a year category. Just consider this. In one recent trade, I made $5,421. That's just one trade. In one recent week, I made $15,763, and that's just 1 week. Now, look at my 1-month account right now. Like I said, I made over $1 million last year for the first time, and this year things have been going even better, so much so that I now hope to double last year's income amount. So how would you like to make more money trading Forex from home than you do in your current job? How would you like to be your own boss and set your own hours? How would you like to determine how much you work each day? Well, that's why I'm writing today, to tell you exactly how you can make all of that possible using a trading system that wins over 90% of the time. For me, the software has resulted in home run trade after home run trade. For instance, just a few days ago, I made 2 quick trades that netted 148 pips. Then later that day, I made 2 more trades that saw me gain over 292 pips. Now, the trades I win aren't all home runs like that. Other trades may produce just 20 pips or 30 pips, But even these singles and doubles can really add up over time and lead to a real home run result in regards to your trading account balance. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the software doesn't win all the time. No software is perfect because software is designed by humans, and we certainly aren't perfect. That means you're going to lose a trade or two here and there. And if you can't deal with losing a trade, this software really isn't for you. On the other hand, if you understand that occasionally you're going to lose a trade and accept it as just part of the process you must go through to grow your account balance, then this software is for you. Now, one more piece of good news is that in addition to having the AI component, the software also follows strict money management principles so that users build wealth over time instead of losing everything on a bad trade or two. In talking with other traders, this is one of the most common complaints that I heard. Basically, they said they'll find a robot they may work with for a while, but then they'll leave it alone for a few hours, come back, and most, if not all of their earnings will be gone. Traders also complain about repainting, false signals, and having to sit at their computer all day. Luckily, my software, which we call FX Profit Storm, doesn't come with any of those negatives. You can use the software for as little or as long as you want, and it also notifies you of each trade. It doesn't actually execute the trades, you must manually do that. This ensures that you remain in charge of our money and don't lose it all in the blink of an eye. So now that you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about here, it's time to get to my real point in creating this web page. You see, I didn't make this video just to brag about how wonderful things are for me right now, though they are really wonderful. No, I decided to create this page to give others a chance to benefit from this software. Now, why should I keep this to myself? Especially when you making money with it isn't going to affect my earnings one little bit. So here's what I've decided to do. I've decided to make FX Profit Storm available to the public for the first time. Now, please be aware this is a very limited release. I have no desire to have this product become the most popular Forex trading software on the market. That's not my goal here. I just want to help a few hard-working, in-the-know people get their hands on an advantage that could change their lives. That's why if you found your way to this page today, you are very, very lucky. Most Forex traders will never know about this opportunity. As soon as I hit my order limit, I'm going to take this page down. In other words, if you think you can benefit from a Forex software with over 90% accuracy that is getting better every day, well, I urge you to order now and not procrastinate because you very well might miss out. Now, here's what you get with FX Profit Storm. You get a highly accurate, tireless program that constantly searches for any currency pairs whose movement fits one of its numerous chart patterns. Then, when the software finds such a pair, you will immediately be notified of when to buy and sell for maximum profits. Now remember, this software also contains AI, so that it is continuously adding new chart patterns to its database. Also remember, this software follows strict money management principles so that you grow your account balance as quickly and efficiently as possible. Plus, if you order now, you won't just get the amazing FX Profit Storm, you'll also receive 3 additional bonus systems that will further increase your chances for trading success. You'll get the astonishing breakout system, which actively discover the areas where they're supposed to break out. After that, our system will supervise those areas and inform you promptly when a breakout explodes. Thus, taking the maximum profit is your merits. Moreover, the eventual reversal spot system is another bonus for you. The top and bottom of each price fluctuation, the U-turn point, manifest in order to notify you exactly when to enter and exit for the maximum profit. The Forex consciousness system is the last bonus you'll get. With a little bit different operation, this system will alert traders the exact points to trade or not to trade through entry and exit points. Thus, you can stay away from losses. I've found all 3 of these systems to be highly beneficial to my bottom line, and I'm sure they'll help you boost your Forex trading profits as well. With my main program and the 3 bonus programs, you get sniper accurate trades with an over 90% accuracy rate, clear entry, stop loss, and take profit signals, no thinking, analysis, or market study required, no trading experience necessary, install in minutes and can be used immediately, complete control, you make the final decision on all the trades, Advanced money management guidelines that dramatically lowers risk and protects your earnings. No minimum trading amounts. Work in all market conditions. All told, this Forex trading system, or should I say, Forex success system, is worth over $5,000. That's using a very conservative $2,000 value for the FX Profit Storm and $1,000 for each of the supplementary programs. But act now and you won't have to pay $5,000 for this package of Forex software. You won't even have to pay $2,500 or $1,000. You also won't have to pay $500 or even $100. For this limited time offer, I've decided to set the price of FX Profit Storm and the bonus programs at just $37. Why $37? Because that's what it costs to produce these programs. Just cost and nothing else except cost. I do not produce the inferior products for money. I am a Forex trader first and foremost. I really want to lend a helping hand to a few hardworking people like you. Hopefully, this will show you that I'm nothing like the scam artists. One of the reasons why I'm putting a limit on orders is because I don't want to have to spend my time doing order fulfillment and customer service. I want to be able to continue to trade like I always have, and if this offer interferes with that at all, I'll shut down even faster than what I've promised to do. To get FX Profit Storm and the bonus programs for just $37 total, click on the Order Now button on this page. I'm so sure that you'll love FX Profit Storm that I'm offering an unconditional 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply notify me within 60 days and I'll refund your money in full with absolutely no questions asked. That's 2 full months to put this software to the test. I don't think I can be any fairer than that, do you? Either make money trading Forex or get your purchase price back. With this offer, you could get the software, try it with a demo account, and if the results don't satisfy you, you can get a full refund of your purchase price and you won't be out of any money. It's time to break free from a boring everyday life and start living the wealthier lifestyle of your dreams. With FX Profit Storm, you'll be able to work from home and be your own boss. You can get up when you want and work for as long or as little as you want. You can make enough money to quit your day job, or you can use it as a second income to pay off debts and those little extras that you've always wanted. But the first step is to take action and get this powerful software today. Remember, with Forex, you don't need a lot of money to get started. In fact, many start out with initial investments of just $100 and build their accounts up from there. Forex trading also offers other benefits such as 24-hour trading, 100-to-1 leverage, easy trades, superior liquidity, no commission or transaction fees, an opportunity to make money in rising and falling markets, better after-hours trading, controlled risk exposure. So here's the bottom line. With this offer, your dream life is just a click away. Many people go through life never stepping up to the plate and taking their swings. Remember, you can't get any hits sitting in the dugout. Don't miss this opportunity. Get the FX Profit Storm and start changing your life for the better today. This is your chance to complete those home run Forex trades that'll give you the money to buy that new house or new car or new TV that you've always wanted. This is your chance to escape your boring day job and start living life with much less stress thanks to the money in your bank account. It's time for action. Will you walk up to the plate and take your swings, or will you stay glued to the bench? If you're ready to get in the game and create your own outstanding future, click Order Now on this page before it's too late.